I picked up another trail. Looks like it might have come off the tree. There's the tent, there's the tree. I can't believe how close this thing was to my tent. And that it was hiding behind me. Creepy. Good morning, YouTube. Moto camping. So yeah, I'm happy. Very cold night. Hard to get to sleep because right across the river last night, flashlight caught some eyes. And it's not that there were eyes, but it like came right at me into the river. Had no fear. And then it was gone. So for hours, looked for the eyes. But man, it was cold last night. Anyway, gotta pee so bad. I don't care if I have to wrestle with something. I gotta go pee. Sorry about the too much info. What's up, everyone? It's a new day. And Chippewa Freedom's ready to ride. So I'm not sure if it's going to be a vlog or a rock along. So if you don't like music and beautiful scenery while riding on a motorcycle, you might want to change the channel. Because I don't want to hear you bitch. I'm just kidding. Go ahead and bitch. But for the rest of you, just enjoy it. Because this is beauty at its best. Alright, we're off to see if we can find my favorite camp spot that we didn't make it to last night. Man, this road is hammered. I can find a smooth line. I don't want to hit every rock possible with this big bike. It'll handle it, but the mirror is not happy. That is one big rock. Up to the cabin and the cemetery. Hello, squirrel. Graveyard Flat, Forest City, mining boomtown. So here is the Logzilla that Vince and I tried to hop. Somebody cut it, which sucks because we never actually made it over. Logzilla. Oh, yeah, baby. So, we're going to leave the cabin. As I promised, I'm going to try and make it up to my favorite camp spot just to show you guys. Someday I'll come out with a GoPro that actually shows how big these things are. Okay, as promised, here's the favorite campground. So that's the main road. 85, that's terrible. It's the worst road in Utah. Swear to God. Some of you might recognize this from a Dirt Nap Dirt Bike Adventures channel video. Get out of my spot. But you know there's Sasquatch dwelling around here. Okay, well, yes. It is beautiful. But that is not why this is special. This was this general area in this river where we first spotted Sasquatch.
Crikey, mate, I think we found a Sasquatch. Oh. He seems to be wearing similar sort of armor. That is how they withstand all the penetrations of all the humans. What the f... Oh my God, he just looked at me! Oh no! Ah!
Look at this. If this doesn't make you feel alive, I'm sorry. You gotta be careful out here. I almost walked right by this. Could have missed this beauty. I've always appreciated scenes like this, but I seriously gotta give it to Tim. He gave me a new appreciation for this. This will show you how old I am and how childish I am, but these mini little waterfalls make me want to break out the Star Wars and G.I. Joe figures. Little waterfall there. Little waterfall there. There. And the bigger one. I'd like one of these in my backyard.